Hi, in front of me is KRUGER MATZ Move 9, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. Firstly, open clock. Then tap on alarm and click on the plus icon. Over here you can set up an hour, click OK, choose repeat and pick days of the week. Tap on vibrate to enable or disable vibrations, and lastly click on this arrow to save your alarm. As you can see, my alarm was successfully made and saved. If you wanna turn it off, tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!